The volume, variety and velocity of data is overwhelming, making the seemingly simple question of where's our data deceptively hard to answer. Nowhere is the problem felt more deeply than in the public cloud. Its dynamic nature means a lack of constant visibility that can result in not just a misconfigured data store, but entire environments existing outside even basic security controls. As regulatory pressures mount, so do the nearly daily headlines of another data breach, driven not only by skillful hackers, but also by honest mistakes made by employees trying to move fast. OpenRaven discovers and maps all cloud data stores, classifies the data within, and pinpoints significant exposures, so security and cloud teams can collaborate to correct risks before they become security incidents. You can proactively discover and fingerprint a multitude of data storage technologies for real-time visualization, exposure monitoring, auditing, and compliance. Visualize your entire data infrastructure for a bird's-eye view. Sort, query, and filter to pinpoint any areas of concern across both native or non-native cloud data stores. Alert on risky changes in security posture, such as new internet-accessible data or added peering relationships on any AWS S3 bucket. Distribute detailed reports to keep everyone informed of data risks, security posture and compliance violations across your multi-cloud. Implement security as code using the GraphQL API and automate actions directly when exposures are found. Also, OpenRaven automatically alerts you via email, Slack, Splunk and other tools about any data risk, so you'll find out immediately about any unexpected data stores, vulnerable misconfigurations, or accidental exposures. Use OpenRaven to prevent data breaches by finding weaknesses and exposures immediately on known and shadow cloud assets before they are exploited. Continuously audit security posture on all your cloud data stores, such as AWS S3 bucket audits. Validate key aspects of compliance and accelerate meeting CIS benchmarks to secure your public cloud environment. Across the enterprise multi-cloud, OpenRaven restores visibility and control to stop data leaks, while laying the foundation for compliance and privacy efforts.